Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a repeatable environment. Make a virtualenv and install Python 3. 10+. Once done, pip install OpenCV, a face detector like Dlib or MediaPipe, and a recognition model such as face recognition or Insight Face, plus PyTorch if needed. You also create a clear dataset now. Collect 50 to 200 labeled images per identity with consistent lighting and both frontal and slight angle shots. This accelerates training and reduces bias, so make sure images are organized in folders named by person. You now build the data pipeline and start training. First, align faces using landmarks, resize to 112x112 or 224x224, and normalize by the model's mean and standard deviation. This ensures consistent inputs. Next, augment with jitter, brightness shifts, and small rotations, then split data 80/10/10 for train, validation, and test so you can monitor generalization. For training, select either a metric learning loss or a softmax head, use batch sizes between 32 and 128, apply a learning rate schedule, and validate embeddings with cosine similarity. You finish by exporting and deploying the model. Convert to ONCs or Torch script and optimize with quantization or TensorRT to meet latency targets. During inference, run detect, align, compute embeddings, then compare to the database with a tune threshold. Log false positive and false negative rates continuously. If accuracy falters, diagnose quickly. Check for dataset imbalance, poor alignment, incorrect normalization, or wrong thresholding. Retrain with more diverse samples or stronger augmentation. This single troubleshooting tip, inspect alignment, fixes many failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.